lovelies, welcome back to the channel. I am super tired today, but I thought this would be a great box to unbox today because I'm feeling a bit run down, because it is the Spooky Box Club Beautiful Monster box, and I'm pretty sure the whole sort of theme of this one is self-care, so I think it's fitting. I feel like I'm not the only one that's been like this. I think even Jake has been like really tired recently. Not as much as me, but I remember the other day he was saying he couldn't wake up, so I don't know. Maybe there's something in the air. But I am quite excited, so let's just open it up. Okay. Ooh. Oh, okay, right. Things are looking cute. Things are looking cute. I'm happy so far. I'm very shiny. It's warm today. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so this is like a little, like one of those headbands you use when you're washing your face and stuff. Oh, and it's all soft. Okay. Okay, that is so cute. So it says spoiled bat, and it has like obviously little bats on it and like really pretty writing, and you would put this obviously like to tie your hair up first. But yeah, that is adorable. I really like this. Like I said, I love like spooky versions of things that don't need to be spooky, but you know, I want them to be spooky, and now I have one of these, so that is good. Next up, oh, it's a nail file. I mean, I guess that's cute. It's not like the most amazing thing in the world, it's just a nail file, but it is like a cute spooky one, so that's fine. And I do always need more nail files, so that's fine. I guess this is just like a fun little extra, you know? Oh, cute. So there's a, oh, it's actually a mirror. I thought it was gonna be like a badge, but it's a mirror and it says Beautiful Monster on it. Keeping in the old handbag. Oh, we have a charm for our new charm bracelet that we started, and it's like a little, my nails are terrible. It's a little pastel purple bat charm. Oh, I think this might just be like some sort of comb. Hold on. Okay, it is. It's like a brush on one side and a comb on the other. Again, this isn't like super amazing or anything, but it is like a handy little extra, I suppose. So yeah, good to keep in my bag. So yeah, we have a lollipop of some sort. Gone. Ooh, pretty. So this is a cracked mirror pin. That's really pretty. I definitely want, I might put this in my bag or something because it kind of goes with the pins that I already have on there, so might add that in. Okay, so this is the last thing in here, and it's a Bats in the Belfry hair towel turban. Cute! Oh, I need to figure out how to use this. I've never been good with stuff like this. I assume the idea is then it comes out, I don't know, I will figure out how to use these, but it's really cute. Again, like a little cute after bath thing. Okay, so let's read through this little thing first of all, make sure I got it. Custom made Bats in the Belfry hair turban, yes. Custom made glamour bat nail file, Mini purple folding travel brush and comb, yes. Custom made cracked mirror pin, yes. Custom made spoiled bat spa headband, yes. Custom made Beautiful Monster mirror, yes. Custom made purple bat charm, yes. And sour citrus punch gourmet lollipop, yes. It is gone forever. Okay, so that was everything. This box I feel was like maybe a little bit lacking. I do really like some of the stuff, like this and the pin I really genuinely love. I like especially love this. It's just so cute. I think these are great, but I just feel like there wasn't a whole ton in this box. I feel like it was over very quickly, but I enjoyed it anyway. Okay, yeah, so that is everything for this unboxing. Leave a little comment, let me know what you thought, or just let me know how you're doing. I feel I did upload a video recently, but for some reason it just feels like I've been away from you guys for a really long time. I don't know. I think I'm just in a strange little place at the minute. But yeah, just leave a little comment, let me know how you're doing. I'd love to hear from you. Also give the video a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. If you're new here, consider subscribing. We're not always this sleepy over here. It's just a sleepy kind of day. It's a cozy, sleepy kind of day, and that's what we're dealing with. And finally, if you could check out my Patreon before you go, I would love that. You would be amazing for doing that. The link is in the description, and it's just a really great way to support me and this channel, so check it out. Okay, and I will see you next time. Bye, lovelies!